Hello, my name's Lucy Draper-Clarke and I'd love to talk to you about two things that I'm very committed to and very passionate about. The first is mindfulness, and these are practices that we can use to train the mind to be more aware of the present moment and to be more compassionate. And the second are issues of social and environmental justice, and these have guided my career choices throughout my life. So when we put the two together, mindfulness with action towards justice, we get mindful activism. One of the challenges for many activists is that we tend to be fueled by anger and this real commitment to change the world around us. And when those changes don't happen fast enough, we can get emotionally exhausted and often burnt out. And that means that the work we're involved with is not always sustainable. With mindful activism, we choose the level at which we wish to get engaged. We use our work to find meaning in our lives, and we connect with what gives us joy. And we tend to find that by helping others, we also become happier. So one of the integral aspects of mindful activism is that we learn to care for our inner world, so that when we give from a place of fullness and don't become depleted. It also means that when it's time to make a decision, we have a sense of clarity. And then when we can act with greater skill and compassion. And rather than viewing the world as them and us, we find we start to engage. We start to create spaces for dialogue and deep understanding. And there really is no better time to be involved with mindful activism. If we look at the information we're bombarded with from the internet, from social media, we're so aware of social injustice and inequalities that we tend to feel overwhelmed. We can feel stuck and then not participate. But with mindful activism, we can choose the sphere at which we want to engage, whether that's with our family, our community, or in global issues. And we just commit to doing that, day in, day out. And it's almost as if we're each individual pieces of a jigsaw puzzle, putting our unique talents together to create a more beautiful world.